Hello and welcome to the Tea Makers of London. My name is Angie and in this video we are going to show you how to prepare the perfect cup of matcha tea. The nutrient-dense matcha has also become increasingly popular as a replacement for coffee. This is due to its high level of caffeine and natural chemical compounds, which result in a much more consistent, calm focus throughout the day without the coffee crash. Today we're going to use our Ceremonial Grade Matcha. This 1-star Great Taste Award-winning matcha provides a wonderful, smooth and subtle flavor with wonderful sweetness. In order to prepare matcha, you need your matcha bowl, a bamboo whisk and your matcha spatula. First step is to open your caddy or your pouch and see the wonderful powder coming off. See this wonderful green color and just smell this wonderful earthy aroma. Then take your spatula and take 2 spoons of matcha into your bowl. And add 50 milliliter of 70 to 80 degree water. Once you've poured the first 50 milliliter, take your whisk and start whisking in an M form. This is to create a little pâté and make sure that there is not too many clumps left. Another important point is, don't touch the bottom of the bowl, just whisk the liquid. Once you've got a dense velvety texture, add more of the water, about 50 to 100 milliliter, again 70 to 80 degrees. And now whisk and whisk and whisk. Whisk for about 1 to 2 minutes. You will see bubbles developing, and once you have a velvety smooth texture, your matcha is ready to be enjoyed. The traditional way, you drink your matcha out of your bowl. This is why it's formed like this, wonderfully shaped into your hand, or pour it into your favorite cup. See this wonderful green flavor. It is delightful. Enjoy. We hope we have inspired you to try matcha for yourself. Our website will provide you with an array of information on all our teas and how to make your matcha. See you next time!